Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 32 how to count record collection in Laravel 11, and this my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP my admin inside this real state underscore Laravel underscore 11. This my database name. Inside this available 10 table, click this user table. And this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory inside this project name, and this project is already open this my Sublime text editor. Let's open this command prompt, this directory. Inside this open command prompt, let's php artisan server and enter. PSP artisan server enter, and this URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully hit. Let's admin login, and this admin login is available inside this admin credential. Copy this credential and paste here in this password 123456789, and this click this login and not now. Successfully this login available. Let's click this user. User inside this available. This is account shared this total admin, total agent, total user, total active, total inactive, total all role is available inside this count is a step by step set. Let's first of all this copy this URL in this web.php, open route inside this available web.php and find this. Successfully this find is available. Fine. In this admin controller, open inside this function is available admin controller, open http controller and admin controller, and this admin controller inside this available this function is available. Let's open this file admin user list resource view admin user and this list file. This list file is available user and user list. This user and user list is available. Let's step by step inside this. First of all, this button is a set this count button. Let's div is a create. First of all, this div is a create. Please writing this div. Save file and this create. Inside this button is a create. First of all, this first button is a create admin button. This is a add tag is a close, and this admin save file and refresh this page. Successfully this admin is available but not good. Let's same here copy cut inside this paste here and this close. Save file and refresh this page. This good admin is successfully shared. Same here copy and paste here this agent user, and this copy and paste active inactive and total remove, and this last is not used, this remove. Save file. Successfully all set and refresh this page, but this is not good inside this not a page available. Let's paste step by step. Page is set. This a tag inside this page is set. This page is set. Successfully page is set. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this page is a good set. Let's insert this different color is a set. Let's different color set. First of all, this first is available info. Second is implement this warning. Second is a warning color set. This secondary color says this primary color, danger color, and last is a success color. All success color. Save file and let's refresh this page, and different color is set. Good. This is a different color is a successfully set. This HTML is a done. This only HTML is a set. Save file and successfully set. Let's inside this count is a set. Total admin is a check. Let's total admin check this, refresh this page. Inside this get record user model. This model is available, user model. Inside this user model opening, and this get record is available. Pagination is a set 100 record. Let's refresh this. Pagination is only 120 record is show. Let's refresh, and this 100 record is a show. This total record is a show. This is a 22 record is available in this data base name. This 22 record is a show. Good working. Let's first of all this total admin count is a set 1 admin 1 2 3 4 admin is a show. Let's step by step 4 admin. Inside this 4 admin show this dynamic value is a set. This open dollar data total admin in this count is a set copy, and where this field name is a admin means role field is available. This is a role wise role is equal to this is a name is a admin. This name inside this available. This admin name check admin count set. Let's copy this name inside this set and paste here. This dollar data already passed. This dollar data inside this already passed, and this copy and paste here. Let's for record is a show. Let's refresh this page. This is a only 6 record, but 6 record is a show, and this is a 6 record is a available, but this is a 2 is a 1 is a available. This deleted. Let's comment is a select, copy this name, and inside this set this where is delete only show 0 show, and refresh this page, and this only 4 record is a show. Good working. This is a only 4 admin is a show. This successfully shared this 1 admin, this 2 3 and 4, only 4 admin is available. They successfully shared this 4 admin. This 4 admin successfully countless. Agent is available. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 admin is available. 10 agent is available. The same here, copy and paste here, only name change agent is a set, and this is a agent. Save file. Let's copy this variable inside this agent, inside this paste here. Agent save file. Let's refresh this page, and once only 10 agent is a show. Good working. This 10 agent is a successfully available. This dynamic field is a set this agent, and inside this close this not used. This is a successfully set this 10 agent. Let's save. Next is available total user. This user is a let's count, check this user. 1 2 3 4 5 6 user is available. Let's copy and user, and this name is a sense user, and this copy save file, and inside this total user, save file and refresh this page, and this is a 6 is available. Good working. The 6 user is a show. Less active is a show. Less active, total active 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 16, 70. 70 is a active user. This 70 is a active user. Less active user is a 70. This only field name is a sense. Field name is available. This role is a remove. Inside this available, this field name is a show. This name is a field name is a status. This copy and status is a paste here inside this status. And this active. This active and total active. Save file and copy and this variable inside this active user inside this paste here. Save file and refresh this page. Successful 70 is a show. Less inactive menu show less inactive. 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 is available. Let's same here copy and paste here inactive. Inactive and this is a inactive. Same copy and inside this create inactive. Paste here. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully 3 is available. 3 is inactive is a show. Less total. This is all total is available. This total successfully 22 total, but inside this not available. This 5 inside this not available. 6 and 7 is not available. Let's count is 6 and 7 is remove not available. This only available this 20. Let's count total. Copy and paste here and this total. Remove and this total remove this not use. This remove. Save file and copy and this total. Total is a shared and refresh this page. 20 is available. 20 is available total, but inside this not available. 5, 6, 7 is not available. 8, 9, 10 is available. Total is 10 record is 20 record is show. This successfully this is all successfully count. This 7 is admin available, 10 is agent available, 6 is user, 7 is active, 3 is inactive and total is 20. This all count is inside this available 20. Successfully set. This is successfully all set. The 7 for 10. The 7 for 10 1 4 means 6 and this inside this implement this 20 is available. Good working. Please writing this file and this file. This all count is successfully set. Inside this field is available. Field wise we click this structure inside this check this role. This role is available. This delete role is available. Admin agent in user in inactive in this status. And this any doubt to please contact Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. This my official website error solution code and this my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon inside this available this all link. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.